Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Crypto Projector. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So in this video I will share with you a new token. If you can buy it, you can make a huge profit. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So you can see website was open. The website link was available in description. You can easily open it. The coin name is Bana Hero NFT game. So friend, you can make money to play game and you can earn more profit with this coin. And you can see and definitional yield from the application by Hero, launch app, Telegram, Twitter, and every social media platforms are available. You must join for latest updates. Now first we review the project, then friends I tell you how to buy this coin and how to earn money from playing the game. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. So first of all, you can see Bana Hero ecosystem. You can read full detail from there. Bana ecosystem is an NFT game that generate collection, mining, marketing, trading, and PvE player can be play to earn in the game. You can continuously collect the upgrade Bana Hero and get reward through mining or trading. You can also let a hero throw level to win rewards. You can see every detail in this website and you can read it clearly. So friend, you can read every detail are available in this. If you want to read more, you can click on more and you can see more information about this project. So we can scroll down and you can see on your NFT which is kind of the item can be collected in Binance Hero. Come to show how hero to you friend and the other players. And next you can see upgrade your NFT in Bana Hero to higher level which could be freely exchange or high profit. Next you can see NFT yield mining. The investment concept of the NFT yield mining allow your NFT collection automatically mining of your brightening your profit with the exponentially exchange NFT collection value. You can see all detail there and you can read must. So friend, read all the information, then you can make profit from this project and you can make a huge profit. You can see token staking. Stake our hero token hero to earn passive income. If you can stake this coin, you can make profit. So friend, if you can stake this coin, you can make a huge profit from this coin and the earning will double in your portfolio. So you can buy this coin marketplace, use marketplace to find our favorite Bana Hero NFT and gain profit by trading item with other players. And then you can see PvE adventure fight agents, 5 agents in a campaign mode. Fight again in the campaign mode. You can do level clear with your hero and win super rate reward. There will be also be event for you to participate with others. You can see every detail. So we can scroll down and you can see more detail our character in games. You can buy and play with it. And friend, you can see Bana Hero NFT characters are there. You can select one character and start our game and you can make this coin free. So friend, I can scroll down there and you can see their team of this coin who developed this and our partners. You can see PancakeSwap, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap was linked with this website and token. And you also see their social media platform. Must join their social media platform for latest update. You can see their Telegram page, must follow it for latest updates. And you can see their page was loading. And friend, you can see Bana Hero project was there. You must follow their page for latest updates. There are updates are there available and you can buy from there. So friend, must join their Telegram page and other social media platform. Now we go back to website and you can see buy hero. Now I tell you about how to buy this coin. Simply you can click buy hero coming soon. You can buy from this website. The website links are available in description. Now you can only click buy hero and you can buy this coin. And launch app also coming soon. You can manage this coin easily from the application. Now friend, I share with you the game of this project. Simply we can open the game. You can see game was opened. Simply page was refreshing and you can see game was open. First you can connect your MetaMask wallet. Simply I can show you how to connect your wallet. Simply I open my wallet. You can see I simply next it and my wallet was connect. Simply I connect this wallet from this game and now you can see game was playing. So friend, you can see game was open and you can wait for this game because this game was launched after 2 to 3 days. Please wait for this. And friend, you can only play the game and earn without investment this coin. So friend, I share all detail about this project. Hope you can understand all the detail. So friend, if you like this video, so press the like button and also subscribe my channel for latest video. And friend, I try to upload latest projects coming soon, so stay tuned with us. Allah Hafiz.